This tutorial will show you how to create filters in Excel. At the end of the video, you will be able to easily filter out needed data from the table. Let's see how to do it together. Welcome to How to in 2 Minutes. If you are looking for short videos with advice in less than 2 minutes, you have come to the right place. If you want to use the filter function in a table, you must first select the column in which you want to apply the filter via the header row. Now let's select the headings Date and Product. Click the Data tab, and in the Sort and Filter group find the Filter option, and click on it. We will get these drop-down buttons in the cells that contain the selected column headers. You can use the buttons to filter out the desired information in each column. Suppose we only want to filter out smartphones. Click the drop-down button in the Product column. All options are selected by default. Unselect the options by clicking on Select All. Now, check the box next to the option we want to filter out, which is Smartphone. Click OK to confirm, and you will see that only smartphones are displayed in the table. If you look at the row numbers, you can see that the rows with other product data are not deleted. Don't worry, they're only hidden. Here you can see that there is a filter applied, and in our example displayed that 15 out of 52 records were found. If you need to filter more, let's say, you wanted to filter out products that were only sold in August. Click the drop-down button in the Date column, click Select All, and check the August box after unchecking everything. Click OK, and that's it. We used a filter in practice in order to show smartphones sold in August. If you found this tutorial video helpful, please give us a like or leave a comment below and watch another video tutorial on How to in 2 Minutes. We will be more than happy if you click the subscribe button and join our How to channel.